Hey folks, does this look familiar? So this is where we are already, and we are going to I told you we are aiming for 1 is to 5. We're going to let our age to play out, and if it doesn't, we are going to be very proactive. What do I mean? So we're going to run down here and trail our stops down here, and this will guarantee us 1 is to 2 already, and we can allow this to run until we hit our target. So I want to let you know that we are going to be doing this every day. So why don't you hit that subscribe button, and why don't you turn on your notifications so you'll be right on time and see the market the way we see it and make money while we make money. Thank you very much, and stay with us as we look at how this plays out. I'll be back with you. Stay tuned.